Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Chloe, and today I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me for my date night with my husband, Sebastian. So this video is sponsored by Dyson, and I'm going to be doing my hair and putting on my outfit, and then my husband Seb is going to come in and he's going to rate my look. So I've tried to do my makeup in a way that I know he likes, so I'm going to also do my hair in a way that he likes. And that's what's cool that Dyson is sponsoring this, because he really likes soft, silky hair, and honestly, the Dyson hairdryer really helps with that. So I've already filmed my makeup for an Instagram video. Go check that out. And now I'm going to be doing a blow wave in my hair. So as you can see, my hair is wet. It did just have the towel on, which helps to absorb a lot of the extra water. So now I feel like I'm really ready to go in with my hairdryer. When I got out of the shower, I used a moisturizing cream at the ends of my hair because the water here in LA is really different to Australia. It's really been drying my hair out. And then I also put a blow dry mist in. My Dyson Supersonic, and the attachment that I've got here is the styling concentrator. I'm really excited because my Dyson Supersonic is the red special edition gift set. It comes in this really pretty red box. It's so slick. So I'm really excited about that because I had a Dyson in Australia and I loved it, but it was an Australian one. So I left it back there and I have not had one since. So I've been really missing it actually. They're really, really good. I'm just gonna get right to it, starting by sectioning my hair. So I have fine hair, but I have a lot of it. That's what every hairstylist ever tells me. And the Dyson Supersonic is engineered for different hair types. So I know I'm covered. I'm probably gonna go into a voiceover from now on, guys. So hello to future me who's about to voice over this. Let's get into it. So taking the blow dryer and a round brush, I pull my hair from underneath so that I can twist the strands of hair with a rolling motion at the very ends of my hair so that I get that little kink at the end. Sometimes if you twist it at the end like that, it helps to hold it, but I don't actually do it all the time. So with the nozzle, as I said, I'm using the styling concentrator nozzle that helps to like really smooth out the strands, and I can use it to get that sleek length and then the bent ends. It really like concentrates the airflow without disturbing the rest of your hair too much. So I really like that one. There are 3 different attachments, but this is the one that I generally use most of the time for me. So I'm drying the bulk of my hair, which is these bottom sections that I'm doing right now. And I just grab it like in big chunks like that and pull it in toward myself. And sometimes I roll it up and then give it a blast of cold air to really lock that little kink in at the end. Okay, now we're on to the top part of the hair. So now is when I would like pick where I want my part to be. I usually do like a little bit off center. That looks good. I'm just gonna start here at the back parts. Grab a chunk. And I'm gonna bring it forward because it's so much easier to handle, and also when you're drying it this way, you're gonna get some lift at the roots here. Okay. So this is the section of hair that I have to put most effort into, I think, because that's what you see, it's on the outer part of the hair. So bringing it all forward is what's gonna get me the volume. And as you can see, that really nice kink at the end as well. Woo! Honestly, doing my hair is quite a task for me, so I really appreciate the Dyson Supersonic because it is just so quick. It is ultra fast drying. It has a small but really powerful Dyson digital motor V9 inside of it, and it spins at up to 110,000 RPMs. It has air multiplier technology, so it's got that high pressure, high velocity jet of controlled air for fast drying and precision styling. And I think coupled with the attachment that I use, the styling concentrator, it's just so easy for me to get that sleek but bouncy soft hair. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? This little baby also helps to prevent extreme heat damage because, unlike some others, the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer measures air temperature over 40 times a second and regulates the heat, so it prevents the damage and protects your hair's shine. I am so happy with it. It's just so soft and shiny. So I've got the gentle kinks in my hair and it's so soft and supple. Okay guys, I just got changed. Seba is here. Come on in, Seba.
Hey guys.
So he looks very cute. I rate you 10 out of 10. So I'll just show you what I'm wearing. This little gold dress with bell sleeves.
Wow.
Patent shoes. This is my bag. Okay, so Seba, what do you think of my hair?
of your hair. Let me see, look at me. I like this. It looks really elegant. Wow.
I can't see.
Yeah, you don't need to see. I can see. That looks amazing.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yes. I'm very grateful for my hair.
Yeah.
And I'm excited to cut it off tomorrow because it'll be nice and it'll be like there. I'm glad that you like it. Look how long Seba's hair is too.
Yeah, it's pretty long.
I'll start being able to do tutorials on him.
Yeah.
What about my dress? This one I wasn't sure about.
No, 100% I love it.
Because you hate when things are crinkled.
It's fine. This gets crinkled. Doesn't matter how many times
It's really comfy because
looks
it's not
great.
too tight. And then my friend Tina Young actually started her own bag brand. So
that's
is
hers?
Yeah,
No
she sent it to
way.
me. And you like sandal shoes?
I do.
Yeah.
Oh, you're on fire. You want me to rate it?
Yeah, rate it out of 10.
Guys, I'm gonna have to rate this an 11.
Oh my god, you're so... I appreciate that.
Definitely.
But I really wanted you to be honest.
What, you think I'm lying?
Nah.
Exactly, I'm not lying. I think you're an 11.
But there's no such thing as an 11.
Well, exactly. That's how perfect you are.
You are so cute.
I love you.
I love you too. What about my makeup?
Your makeup looks beautiful.
But why?
Why? Because the glitteriness on your eye, it matches your dress. I'm so terrible with this. Everything is perfectly matched. You're a genius.
Love you.
Love you too. Too much mushy.
I'm glad you like it, Seba.
Thanks.
I'm sure you're getting hungry now.
Oh yeah.
If you're interested, click the link below and the Dyson, sorry, you're just sitting there. The Dyson Supersonic Special Edition, the red one that comes with the gift box that I used is available now on the Sephora website. So click the link below.
Wow, I like the color.
It's so slick, right?
Yeah.
I just love it. I really love Dyson. I need to get my hands on that air wrap that they have because I feel like that would be really good for me.
Yeah.
To get like the waves. Mariana Hewitt uses it. Anyways, so thanks Dyson for sponsoring this video. Seba and I are off on our date now. Oh, and don't forget, if you want to see my makeup, go to my Instagram to watch how I did this makeup. And yeah, bye.
Bye.